Hello again, this is Lost. In this video we're going to be setting up a programming environment for Love. So we're going to use Atom, which is a text editor by GitHub. And the reason we're going to do that is because there's a pretty good, I'm going to say plugin, add-on package that is made by, the name here is Ramesh Varun. And basically I'm told that this is the best up-to-date plugin that of any real text editor at the moment. There is an IDE called Zero Brain. I've never really tried that. I've definitely used Notepad++, I've used Sublime Text, but installing add-ons that help by giving you autocomplete for various Love functions for those IDEs, not so easy. Zero Brain obviously has all that included, I think, but point is it's not particularly easy on those other platforms, and I don't think there is currently one available for Sublime Text for version 0.10.0 of Love. I think the best you would do is 0.9. So we're going to work with Atom. I haven't used it a whole lot, but I've certainly used it enough to work my way around it. So we're going to come back when it's finished downloading. So it seems that part of the installation process is to install .NET 4.5. So I'm going to get that as well. Alright, we've got Atom installed. It's a quick, easy process. It doesn't ask you to do anything, it just installs. So first thing we're actually going to do is install some packages. So we're going to look for love-ide. And I guess I got to click packages for that to do the search. So we're going to install that. There are a few different options here, but this is the one I've been told about. We're also going to get Pigments, I think it's called. Yep, that's what it's called. We're going to get Minimap Pigments as well, and of course Minimap. I actually don't know if Minimap comes pre-installed or not, but I don't think it does. Actually, it's possible it does. No, here we go, Minimap. So that's all we're going to use to start with. The next thing we need to do is configure love-ide. So we're going to click on it. So the way I got to this one was File, Settings. Scroll down to love-ide, click on it. We're going to fill in some settings. We're going to tell it the path to the Love executable. So I've already copied mine. And we're going to tell it love.exe. So that's the location where it installed. Because I installed the 64-bit version, it's going to be in the 64-bit program files, not the x86. If you're using Mac or Linux, it has the path that you'll find it in Mac. In Linux, it depends where you installed it. We don't need any additional arguments. So we're just going to scroll down, have a quick look at what's involved here. So we're going to have a run icon in the taskbar, or the toolbar, sorry. And I'm not even sure I have a toolbar at the moment. So we're gonna have to figure that one out. Toggle menu bar, okay. Alt key, there you go, so that's how that works. But no, I don't know about a taskbar. So let's scroll down a bit more. Love API autocomplete, it's really the most important part here is the Love API autocomplete. Click to definition, would just be handy. Lua syntax checking, also good. GLSL autocomplete for shaders. And shaders are a somewhat more advanced concept, but they're actually very useful in certain situations. And obviously there's a package list here because love-ide depends on a few other packages. So that's all well and good. It's the wrong menu bar. I actually want to turn the menu bar back on full time there. Yeah, I'm struggling to find how this taskbar concept is going to work, but that's alright. So I solved that problem by simply restarting Atom. It apparently needed to do that to get everything sorted out. So we've got this bar here, that's our toolbar, and we can hide it and show it, and we can actually position it. Now the default was at the top. Oh, that's getting confusing. Now we've got two of them, so I don't know what's going on. It's apparently a little bit buggy. We got toolbar, we're gonna go position left, we're gonna toggle it. Oh no, it's broken. So I guess that's the downside of using Atom. It's not quite there yet. It's not foolproof, but I'm assuming closing Atom and starting it again will solve that problem and bring us back just one toolbar. Let's check that out. Okay, yep, that solved the problem. So up the top left we've got run love app, and that's very, very important for the IDE to have, because otherwise your option is to open up the folder that your love app is in. Fun fact, you can show in Explorer. It's the fastest way to do this. So you go into Hello World, shift right click, open command window here, and type love dot. Now this won't work at the moment because I haven't put the path to the executable in the Windows user path, and I might cover that in a later video, but for now we don't need to worry about any of this. To run our file, we simply click our run button up here, and you'll notice instead of going to the Supertoast screen, it gives us an untitled with a black background, which is the default color for the background. So this has actually worked. It's not hello worlding or anything, but it is running our main.lua here. So that's how you set up Atom. In the next video we'll cover projects and how to set up a project, for example this hello world one or recreate, and we'll put some code into it, and we'll actually get a basic thing which will print hello world in the console and also in the window. So thanks for watching.